Can you find the HCF of 3 polynomials? Most people panic, but there's a trick. You only ever need 2 at a time. Let me show you. Here are our 3 expressions. A equals x3 minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. B equals x3 minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. And C equals x3 minus 3x squared plus 2. Ready? Here's the secret formula. HCF of A, B, C equals HCF of A and B, comma, C. Just 2 steps. Find HCF of the first 2, then use that result with the third. That's it. Step 1. Let's factor A. x3 minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 factors into x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. Try plugging in x equals 1, 2, 3. They all give 0. Now, bx cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Plug in x equals negative 1. Boom, 0. Factor out x plus 1 and you get x squared minus 5x plus 6, which is x minus 2 times x minus 3. Compare A and B. A has x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. B has x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Common factors: x minus 2 and x minus 3. So F, HCF of A and B equals x minus 2 times x minus 3. Step 2. Factor C. X cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. Plug in x equals 1. That's 0. Factor out x minus 1, you get x squared minus 2x minus 2. That doesn't factor nicely. It's got irrational roots. Now, HCF of F and C. F is x minus 2 times x minus 3. C is x minus 1 times x squared minus 2x minus 2. Any common factors? Nope. So the HCF of all 3 is just 1. Wait, let me give you one where the answer isn't 1. New set. A equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. B equals x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. C equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x. Watch this. Factor all 3. A, factor out x, gives x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. B, factor out x, gives x times x minus 2 times x plus 1. C, factor out x, gives x times x minus 2 squared. HCF of A and B first. Both have x and x minus 2. So F equals x times x minus 2. Now HCF of F and C. C has x and x minus 2 squared. Common factors: x and x minus 2. Final answer: x times x minus 2. Remember, HCF of 3 expressions? Just do it in pairs. HCF of A and B first, then that result with C. at a time. That's the whole trick. Save this. Follow for more.